Okay, folks, okay, year 12s, looking at some factorization questions, okay, maths genie, okay. We're asked to factorize completely x minus 16x cubed. So the word factorize means to put into brackets, okay, completely means that, yeah, there is no common factors between the terms, okay. So completely means, yeah, that everything here inside the bracket here is also factorized as well, okay? So I can put out an x as a common factor, so x and then open bracket. Well, x times what makes x? X times 1 makes x, and then x times what? X minus 16x cubed. Well, that'd be minus 16x squared, because x times x squared makes x cubed, and then times that by minus 16, and you get minus 16x cubed. I now notice that this is a sneaky and a hidden difference of two squares. Okay, not very obvious there. Okay, so give me x brackets. Okay, 1 plus 4x multiplied by 1 minus 4x. So remember, dots or difference of two squares is a squared minus b squared. It's a plus b times by a minus b. Okay, where you usually, in general, have here a square number and a square term. Okay, so a plus b multiplied by e minus b. Again, obviously, yeah, if you're unsure, so I do the square root of this number at the end. So the square root of 1 is just 1, and the square root of 16 is going to be 4. The square root of x squared is equal to x, because x times x makes x squared. 4 times 4 makes 16. One's a plus, one's a minus, because I've got a minus there. Positive 4 times negative 4 makes negative 16, hence give me that my final answer. Okay, this next one, okay, factorize completely 75x minus 12x cubed. So here, a factor of 3x. Okay, I'm going to have 25. Okay, subtract or minus or take away 4x squared. Okay, again, obviously, check that here if you're unsure. So 3 times, 75, and times it by x makes 75x. And 3x times minus 4x squared, 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. X times x squared gives you x cubed. Okay, obviously I've got a minus there because I've got a minus there. It's give me a minus 12x cubed. Okay, final step. Oh, yeah, it's obviously this is the difference of two squares. So it's going to be 3x brackets. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 4 is going to be 2. Square root of x squared is going to be x. So it's 5 plus 2x multiplied by 5 minus 2x. Okay, so this is the difference of two squares. Okay, so yeah, remember that. Okay, yeah, from GCSE maths, that a squared minus b squared or x squared minus y squared is x plus y times x minus y. Okay, also, yeah, it can be written in the form b squared minus x. Okay, that also works. So b plus a times by b minus a. Okay, so as long as the powers are what we call even, because there are some sneakier ones here which obviously get a bit tricky, which I'll show you in like another video when I have like a power of 4, okay, or even power of 8. But yeah, okay, this is how we factorize completely. Okay, so whenever it says factorize fully or factorize completely, okay, there will be a hidden difference of two squares unless you're pulling out multiple factors in one go. Okay, so obviously watch out for that. Okay, so yeah, watch out in the exam, in your end of year test, or your summer assessment for difference of two squares. Thank you very much.